Hi guys, if you want to pin apps to a start menu in Windows 11 like this, then let's see how to do it. To pin apps to a start menu using Windows search, first of all go to Windows search and type the apps which you want to pin to a start menu. Let's say I want to pin the Spotify app to a start menu. So here I will simply type the Spotify. Here it is. Now to pin it, simply right click on it and then select the option pin to a start. And now you will be able to see this notification, a Spotify pin to a start. And now you can go to the start menu and check it. For that, simply click on the start menu. And here you can see the Spotify app has pinned to a start menu. Let's say you want to pin any other application. For that, go to Windows search and type whatever application you want to pin. Let's say I want to pin Netflix app. So here I will simply type Netflix. Here it is. Now to pin it, simply right click on it and then select the option pin to a start. And now here you will see the notification Netflix pin to a start. And now click on start menu. And now you will be able to see Netflix app has pinned to a start menu. You can see. You can also pin apps to a start menu from all apps. For that, first of all click on the start menu. And now here you will see the all button. Simply click on it. And now here you will be able to see all the application available on your system. You can see. And from here you can pin any application to your start menu. To pin the application, you have to simply right click on the application and select the pin to a start option. And the application will be pinned. Let's say I want to pin this application as well. So I will simply right click on it and select pin to a start option. Now to check it, go to the start menu. And you can see the application has pinned to a start menu. And in case if you want to remove pinned application from a start menu, for that simply right click on the application and then select the option unpin from a start. And the pinned application will be removed. You can see. Let's say I want to remove this pinned application from the start menu. So for that, I will simply right click on it and then select the option unpin from a start. And the application will be removed from the start menu. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily pin apps or remove pinned apps from a start menu in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.